Member for Rangwe, you are out of order. Order, member for Rangwe, order. I therefore, based on, I order that member for Rangwe be moved of the House for the rest of the day. Could you proceed with your reply? Those orders shall be carried out forthwith.
I want to request Dr. Nyikar.
No, you won't go on until the member of Rangwe leaves the House. Sergeant Arms have said that the member of Rangwe leaves the House so that you can proceed with the business of the House today. Chair budget. Chair budget.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. And I thank all the members who have contributed. We have benefited from those insights.